Dear readers, myself, Mr. Abbas Manasawala, former teacher and principal of J.H. Poddar High School, Bhainder West, and the Saraswati Vidyalaya, Bhainder East, is in the profession of teaching since 1990. Whatever I have learned in the past 30 years, I would like to share it with my readers. Today, all of us are facing and fighting COVID-19 crisis in different manner. Some by staying at home and by following government norms, and some by engaging themselves in its treatment and cure. Anyways, my most important point is the diet. Not talking about the diet that we eat, but the diet required to nourish our brain. From last 40 days or so, we have been staying at home. We are daily fulfilling the requirements that our body demands. For example, we eat our food, we drink water, we have tea, milk, coffee, etc. Whatever our body demands. In all these things, we forget that we have another very important organ in our body which never complains whether we are providing food to it or not. It just stays calm and cool, but we often ignore it. And that organ, my friends, is nothing but our brain. Now you'll wonder that the balanced diet that we eat nourishes the brain as well. Then what is the need of another diet? So, friends, the balanced diet for the brain is knowledge, knowledge of beneficial content, listening to useful contents, reading fruitful contents, writing important contents, speaking meaningful contents, and above all, memorizing of useful contents, whatever is required. This is the staple diet of our brain. For better development of brain, we require other diet as well, such as creativity, recreation, and sport. From last 40 days, we have deprived our brain from this balanced diet, and hence our brain is getting little rusty. Our brain is getting little restless. Our brain is getting little frustrated. So, friends, we have to bring our brain out of this frustration. Friends, let us not allow our brain to get rusty and become frustrated. Instead, let's refresh it and make these days of lockdown very fruitful, very innovative, very refreshing, and very pleasant. So that when this lockdown period and the crisis of COVID 19 gets over, our mind is rejuvenated, refreshed, and ready to accept the challenges lying ahead in the coming period. Friends, think of our soldiers who stay locked on the borders for years and years fighting with biting cold and hazardous weather without complaining. They stay away from their families for years and years, but they accept it gleefully. Why? Because they love their nation and vow to protect it. Today, every one of us has got this opportunity to serve our nation by protecting our nation from the spread of coronavirus by just staying at homes and nourishing our body and brain properly. So, friends, I request every student to use this time of lockdown in most fruitful manner, and to do so you are always welcome to join us. Thank you, my friends. Stay home, stay safe, be positive in your thoughts, and above all, love your nation. Jai Hind.